Our food system faces a challenge. We need to feed a growing population, but we also need to protect our planet. Sustainable agriculture offers a solution. It's a way to farm that's good for people and the environment. Sustainable agriculture means farming smarter, not harder. It means using practices that conserve resources. These resources include water, soil, and energy. Sustainable agriculture also means reducing waste and pollution. Imagine farms that work with nature, not against it. Picture fields teeming with life, not barren landscapes. This is the promise of sustainable agriculture. It's about creating a food system that nourishes us all without compromising the future. Traditional farming practices can harm the environment. They often rely on chemical fertilizers and pesticides. These chemicals pollute our water and harm wildlife. They also contribute to climate change. Sustainable agriculture offers a different path. It emphasizes natural methods to control pests and build soil health. Crop rotation, for example, helps control pests and diseases without chemicals. Cover cropping protects the soil from erosion and improves its fertility. These practices reduce our reliance on harmful inputs. By reducing our reliance on chemical inputs, we protect our waterways. We also protect the air we breathe, and we help mitigate climate change. Sustainable agriculture is a win for our planet. Our food system is directly linked to our health. The food we eat impacts our well-being. Sustainable agriculture promotes healthier food choices. It emphasizes fresh, locally grown produce. It also reduces our exposure to harmful chemicals. Food grown with chemical pesticides can leave residues on our fruits and vegetables. These residues can pose health risks, especially for children. Sustainable agriculture minimizes these risks. It prioritizes natural pest control methods. By promoting healthier food choices, sustainable agriculture contributes to a healthier population. It helps prevent chronic diseases. It also supports a more resilient and just food system. Sustainable agriculture is not just about the environment and health. It's also about building strong communities. It supports local economies and promotes social equity. It does this by creating jobs and revitalizing rural areas. When we support sustainable farms, we support our local economies. We keep money within our communities. We also create jobs in farming, processing, and distribution. This helps revitalize rural areas and strengthens local food systems. Sustainable agriculture also promotes social equity. It supports small-scale farmers and marginalized communities. It helps ensure access to healthy, affordable food for all. Section 5. Real-world success examples of sustainable agriculture in action. Sustainable agriculture is not just a concept. It's a reality being practiced around the world. Farmers are demonstrating its benefits every day. From small family farms to larger operations, the principles of sustainability are being put into action. In the United States, the Rodale Institute has been researching and promoting organic farming practices for decades. Their long-term trials have shown that organic systems can be just as productive as conventional systems. They also demonstrate environmental benefits such as improved soil health and reduced water pollution. In Africa, organizations like the Alliance for a Green Revolution in Africa, or AGRA, are working to improve the livelihoods of smallholder farmers through sustainable agricultural practices. They promote drought-tolerant crops, soil conservation techniques, and access to markets, empowering farmers to increase their yields and improve their incomes. Section 6. Guiding Principles, the Foundation of Sustainable Farming. Sustainable agriculture is guided by a set of key principles. These principles provide a framework for decision-making and action. They emphasize ecological balance, resource conservation, and social responsibility. One key principle is to build soil health. Healthy soil is the foundation of a productive and resilient farm. Practices like cover cropping, crop rotation, and composting help improve soil structure, fertility, and water retention. Another principle is to conserve water. Water is a precious resource, especially in areas facing drought. Sustainable farmers use techniques like drip irrigation, rainwater harvesting, and drought-tolerant crops to minimize water use. Section 7. Overcoming obstacles, food security, and resource depletion. While sustainable agriculture offers many benefits, it also faces challenges. One major challenge is ensuring food security for a growing population. Another is addressing resource depletion, such as water scarcity and soil degradation. Meeting the food needs of a growing population without further degrading our environment requires innovation and collaboration. We need to increase agricultural productivity while minimizing environmental impacts. This requires investing in research and development of sustainable farming practices. Addressing resource depletion requires a shift in mindset. We need to move away from extractive practices towards regenerative ones. We need to view our natural resources as finite and precious. This requires adopting policies that promote conservation and sustainable management. Section 8. Seeds of change, innovative solutions for a sustainable future. Despite the challenges, there is hope. Innovative solutions are emerging to address the obstacles facing sustainable agriculture. These solutions harness technology, empower communities, and promote a more just and equitable food system. Vertical farming, for example, is gaining traction as a way to grow food in urban areas using less land and water. Precision agriculture uses sensors and data analysis to optimize resource use and reduce waste. These technologies offer promising solutions to increase food production while minimizing environmental impact. Community-supported agriculture, or CSA, programs connect consumers directly with local farmers, fostering a sense of community and supporting local food systems. Agroecology, a holistic approach to agriculture that integrates ecological principles, is gaining recognition as a way to build resilient and productive farming systems. The future of our food system depends on our collective action. By embracing sustainable agriculture, we can create a food system that nourishes us all, protects our planet, and builds a more just and equitable world.